Hello to all my Lovin light beings and welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, I'm going to create a look that's been long overdue, and it's using the Jeffree Star's Androgyny palette. This was a collab that I was supposed to do with Susan a long time ago. But without further ado, if you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. Keep on watching. Please stay tuned. Keep on watching, and I will leave a list of the products down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I love reading each and every single one of your comments, and I will leave a list of the products down in the description box below of all the things that I used to create this look. So I hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.